Hello friends, welcome to Tewo's World Recipes. Today, we're going to prepare a Catalonia cream or Crema Catalana. This is one of Europe's oldest custard desserts with origins back to the 14th century. There are stories that this dessert was born when some nuns were trying to make some flan and it came out runny, so they tried to cover the mistake by caramelizing sugar on top of it. From Crema Catalana is basically the oldest cousin for Crème Brûlée or Trinity cream in England. And even though Crème Brûlée is more popular as it became a staple in fancy restaurants and caramelizing the sugar tabletop, but its origins come from Crema Catalana. Crema Catalana uses milk instead of cream, and to infuse the milk we use lemon or other citruses and cinnamon, versus Crème Brûlée uses vanilla. It's a very easy dessert. I'm going to show you how to do it and you're going to love it. So let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 4 cups of milk, 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 egg yolks, 3/4 cups of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 lemon, and sugar to caramelize our Crema Catalana. We're going to start by getting the peel out of our lemon. I'm using a potato peeler and I'm just getting long strips. Don't worry too much about getting a little bit of the pith, as we're only going to infuse our milk. Then we're going to separate our eggs. For this recipe we're only going to use the yolks, so we're going to save the whites to use them for something else. Once our yolks are ready, I'm going to put them in another bowl. In a pot, we're going to add our milk, and we're going to turn it to medium heat. We're going to add our cinnamon sticks and our lemon peel. We're going to let it infuse for several minutes until it starts simmering. While our milk is warming up, we're going to add our sugar to our egg yolks. And using a whisk, we're going to start combining until we see that the mixture is a pale yellow. Now with our cornstarch, we're going to add a little bit of water and we're going to make a slurry. This is going to help thicken our Crema Catalana. We're going to add it to the egg yolk mixture and we're going to combine everything real well. Now our milk is about to break the boiling point. We're going to turn the heat off and we're going to remove the cinnamon and the lemon peels. Now, we're going to take a little bit of that hot milk, we're going to add it to our egg yolk mixture, and we're going to whisk quickly so we can temper the egg yolks. We don't want any scrambled eggs. Now we're going to turn on the heat on again in low. We're going to add our mixture. And now we're going to start whisking until our custard forms. This is going to take several minutes. Look at that. Our custard is ready. And this is the consistency you're looking for. Tastes so good. Now we're going to take our Crema Catalana and we're going to put it in some ramekins, or in my case, I have some clay pots, and this is the traditional way. Now we're going to cover them with film so they don't make a crust, and they're going to go into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Overnight is better. As our Catalonia cream or Crema Catalana is in the fridge, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any new videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe that you would like us to try. And don't forget, at the end of this video, give us a like. Visit our stores in Amazon and YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Now, let's finish our Crema Catalana. After 2 hours, or overnight, we're going to take our Crema Catalana out of the fridge. We're going to remove the film, and we're going to add some sugar that we're going to caramelize. You can use a blowtorch until we form that sugary crust. The other way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use an iron for Crema Catalana. It's just a circle to go in the clay pots, and then you caramelize the whole surface. Our Crema Catalana is ready, and it looks fantastic. Let's try it. Let's break the sugar first. Oh, look at that. Not too sweet. The lemon and the cinnamon go really well together. It's a fantastic dessert, really easy to make. Hope you give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.